Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Veteran Fuji musician Sawaba is dead. Popular Ibadan-based Fuji musician Alhaji Isiaka Inyanda Sawaba aka Sawaba is dead. Sawaba, one of the greatest forces to reckon with the Fuji music industry, was announced dead on Wednesday. He was spotted in Lagos in March 2022 at the first collocation of late Sikiru Ayinde Barrister at the Radisson Blu Hotel in Ikeja, GRA. The veteran Fuji musician had a major career in the Fuji music industry in the 1970s and 1980s. He released more than 22 albums, including Suru, Igbo, Odaju, Pata, Olokun, Ayetoto, and Orosheniwo, among others. From the stable of the old Adetunji record, Babalaje record, owned by the late Olubadan of Ibadan land, Obasaliu Akanmu Adetunji Aje Ogbuguniso I, he became more popular with his leading role among then younger generation of the musicians who spotted the late Fuji icon Sikiru Ayinde Barrister during his rivalry with General Kollington Ayinla. Sawaba was signed on the stable of the KG Okunowo-led Default Sony Music in 1992, where he released Message, an album produced by Laolu Akins. His last no album correction was released in 2018.